How's it going? We're out here. We got this super clean Ram 1500. We have this truck here today for broken manifold bolts. We have this kit from BD Diesel that my buddy found. And the common problem with these is the studs that go on the heat shield on the factory ones are super long. They get a lot of deflection in them and they'll break either flush with the head or flush with the manifold. These new ones that he found relocate the heat shield and just have machined holes to just change the position. That way it doesn't put any strain on them. This truck's got about 100,000 miles. It's a common problem. So let's get after it. So first, both sides, we're going to remove the inner wheel well, and then I'll work on getting the exhaust to the manifold bolts off on both sides. That way I can drop that out of the way, and then we'll get back after it once I get that done, and I'll show you the inside. All right, so there we go. We got the, come on, focus, exhaust to manifold bolts off, and right there you can see that one is broken off up in the hole. Clean it with the block. We go to this other side. This one, excuse me, is focus, broken off flush with the manifold right there. Here's a better look at the two types of broken bolts you can run into with these. You can get them flush with the manifold, and the lower one is flush with the block. This lower one, I'm gonna try to use a pick to work it out. They're usually not broken off because they're tight. And this will come right out with vice grips. If this doesn't come out with a pick, we'll just weld a nut to it. It's an aluminum head, so the weld will only stick to that bolt, and we'll pull it out. All right, just got the passenger side manifold off, and you can see that it's reversed. The top one on this one's broke flush with the block. Bottom is flush with the manifold, so you know we'll do the same thing. Clean this up. The bolt slash stud that was sticking out on the driver's side, I was able to spin out with my fingers. That's how loose it was. So hopefully we get lucky on this side, and then we'll get it cleaned up and break out the welder for that one. Bolt number 3, I just tacked a little bubble on the end, just enough to get it with some vice grips. Figured I'd try that before I welded a nut on, and it came right out. So one more to go. All right, so got all 4 bolts out. They're all kind of just thrown in my little tray. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So can't be upset about that. Easy one, maybe 2 hours into the job. So now it's reassembly time. We're gonna get this BD Diesel kit installed, and all right, get this thing. Wheel wells are back in, batteries connected. We're about to pull the jack stands out and get all this stuff cleaned up. Go for the first start up here. Way quieter than when I picked it up from my buddy this morning. Glad we get that taken care of. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel. It's kind of hard on YouTube. Peace.